Listen, there are moments in life when everything collapses at once, when the people you trusted walk away, when the dreams you loved fall apart, and you feel like life is punishing you for no reason. But what if I told you this is the moment that will create the strongest version of you? There was a boy who lost everything in 1 year, his job, his relationship, and even his confidence. Every night he asked himself, why me? What did I do wrong? He thought life was destroying him, but life wasn't destroying him. Life was rebuilding him. One night he looked in the mirror with tears in his eyes and whispered to himself, maybe I can start again. Maybe I can fight one more time. And that was the moment everything changed. He didn't get stronger in 1 day. He didn't grow confident overnight. He simply took one tiny step every single day. Some days he won. Some days he completely broke down. But he never stopped. And slowly, pain became strength. Failures became lessons. Loneliness became self-respect. And the version of himself he lost, he rebuilt it. Stronger, wiser, unbreakable. This is not just his story, it's your story too. Life is not asking you to be perfect. Life is only asking you to get up one more time, to try one more time, to believe one more time. Because every time you rise after falling, you become someone the old you would be proud of. So if you're hurt, if you feel lost, if your heart is heavy, listen carefully. Your story is not over. Your strength is not gone. Your comeback has already started. And this time, nothing will break you.